In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a trigger in Manychat. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a keyword that automatically launches the right conversation, so your audience gets the information they want without any manual effort. First, open your Manychat dashboard and head to the Automation section. Inside Automation, look for the Keywords area. This is where you'll manage the words or phrases that, when typed by a user, will prompt your bot to take action. Think of keywords as simple shortcuts your audience can use to get what they need quickly. Next, click the New Rule button. A rule is just a pairing of a keyword and what you want Manychat to do when it sees that keyword. You're essentially telling the bot, when someone says this, respond like that. Now set your keyword. You can use single words like price, info, or ebook, or a short phrase such as get ebook. Keep it clear and unambiguous. If you like, add multiple variations so people can trigger the same experience with different terms. Pay attention to match settings if they're available in your workspace. For example, whether the message should contain the word anywhere or match it exactly. Choose terms that won't accidentally fire in unrelated conversations. Short, specific keywords typically work best, and phrases can reduce false triggers. Also remember that punctuation and spelling matter. If your audience might use a common misspelling, consider including it as an additional keyword. For the action, choose Start a Flow. A flow is the conversation or automation you've built to deliver content, ask questions, or guide someone through a process. Starting a flow from a keyword is a reliable way to offer an instant, relevant response the moment a user reaches out. Select the flow you want to run from your list. Pick the one that delivers exactly what the keyword promises. For example, a pricing overview for price or a download flow for ebook. Clear naming helps here so you can find the correct flow fast. Make sure the first message in that flow confirms the user's intent and delivers value right away. Finally, click Save or Publish to make your rule live. Saving locks in the keyword and the action, and publishing ensures your change is active and ready to respond. From now on, whenever someone types your chosen keyword, Manychat will instantly start the flow you selected. That's all it takes. Go to Automation and Keywords, create a new rule, set a helpful keyword, start the right flow, pick it from your list, and publish. You've just created a fast, dependable trigger in Manychat.